What's going on, everybody? As you can see, finally got me another welder since my other one was broke. I can finish the exhaust on my green truck here. Ain't nothing fancy, just a cheap little welder from Summit. Just a little MIG welder, don't take gas. Just higher load basically, and then wire feed. But pretty much like my other one, just rebranded with Summit brand. Should work fine for doing exhaust though. Alright, got the exhaust all welded up. About to crawl up under there and stick it up in there and see how it fits. See how it sounds. Also, I got this tip here. I'm going to put it up there, something like that. It'll be coming out the side of the truck, just on this passenger side here. The exhaust on there. I ain't got the tip on it, just an open muffler for now, and then I might tack the tip on there just to see what it sounds like with the tip. But yeah, I'll go ahead and uncover the motor here and stick a battery in there and see if it'll even start. It ain't been started in probably at least 2 or 3 months. Alright, let's see what happens. Got some leaks right there where I stuck it on the header at. It ain't clamped down or anything, but it's gonna have some leaks right there. It's all bolted up, welded up. Still got to put some hangers on it. Just got a piece of wire holding it up for now. But got the tip and all on there. I'm gonna start up and see how it sounds. Still a mess under here, but now I got the exhaust done, I'm gonna focus on getting the wiring finished up next. Get a tune on it and all that good stuff. Yeah, I don't think it sounds too bad. Just one magnaflow. Drive it down the road now, see how it sounds. Try to clean the windshield off a little bit because you can't see shit out of it. Half-ass cleaned off. Can't really get out on it right now. It won't really do nothing since it got a whacked out tune on it. It needs to be fixed pretty bad. It's not gonna be real loud in the truck, which is what I like. It still sounds good outside the truck. Got to get some good header gaskets though. It does have some header leaks, but it's just got stock gaskets off of it, manifold gaskets on it. Get some good header gaskets put on it. Seal it all up and sound pretty good then, I think. Well, got the exhaust on her finally. Now I just need to do some wiring, get all that situated, gauges and stuff done. Obviously a tune needs to be put on it. Well, I gotta put hangers on it, exhaust too. It needs a bath. Obviously it's nasty as hell, but at least I got the exhaust done. I've been wanting to do that, but had problems with the weld machine. Finally got me another one, so got that done now. So I reckon that's gonna be it for this one. So like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for more. Later.